Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So from today onwards, we'll be discussing all the topics related to social engineering. So I will be covering all the units which are required for our semi examination. Unit one, unit two, unit three, all topics. So I will start with the unit one. I will explain each and every topic. So topic for today is first one, introduction to social network. Second topic is our network examples. And third, graph theory basics. And fourth topic, statistical network properties. Node centrality measures or metrics, anyway you can call it as. And the last topic is our eigenvectors and cent page rank. So let me start with the first topic, introduction to social networking. So what is social networking? Social networking is nothing but it is a web-based communication media which allow users to have conversations, share information, and create content. Actually, we are living in a society where we share each and every information with the people or with the society or with the organization around us. So this is what the communication or the information sharing between each and every individual in a particular group of organization is called social networking. So the definition will be as a social network is a web based communication media which allow users to have conversations, share information, and create content. So this is what actually the definition of social networking. As we all know, there are many social media sites like blogs, social networking sites, instant messaging apps, photo sharing apps, video chatting apps, and many more. Billions of people use these social media sites to share and make connections on a personal level. So let us categorize the people accordingly. So if we consider the people, so let me categorize the people as personal, like us, personal or normal human beings, and business people, and they are professionals. So these are the three categories where if we categorize them, so personals are nothing but the we actually students, the normal human beings who go for work daily are comes under normal persons, and the business magnates, CEOs, all those, and professionals are the PhD holders, those who mainly focus on the content creation. So what is the use of this classification is not, for example, if we take the personal section, what we daily use, actually what we will be using in social networking, we will be using social networking to communicate with friends, family members, or relatives, to learn new things, and to get entertained. So this is what we actually do. Let us consider the businessmen. What businessmen do? Businessmen, they will use social networking to communicate with the target audience or get feedback from the customers. Actually, what they do, they will just promote their projects. So feedback is must and should for them uh, to make the required changes in the product. So businessmen used to communicate with the target audience, that is group of community people, to get feedback from customers, comma, promote their product, promote and evaluate their project. This is what actually they do. So let me talk about professors. What the professionals do? Professors are nothing but the teachers or PhD holders or doctorates. They will be using social media to increase the knowledge. Actually, for example, to write the thesis, they have to refer all the PhD documents which are already written by the others. So they will be using social media to increase their knowledge in their particular field, in their field. So this is what they do. If this is the actual classification of the normal human beings based on the work they do. So actually we know that there are million social media sites. So there are many social media sites like blogs, social networking sites, instant chatting or messaging, photo sharing, and video sharing sites, and many more. Sites and many more. So actually billion people use this social media. So if they use, so billion people are using the social media. Now it is our duty to find which sites are more useful for us to proceed with the let me brief it up. With new social networking sites being introduced every year, deciding which one is right for personal, business and personal professional use is an overwhelming affair. So actually there are millions and billions of social networking sites. So what is the best use of it? So we have to make each and every changes according to the classification required. For example, if we are using personal level, we will be using WhatsApp, like Facebook or anything. So that when we are going to the business or professional levels, they will be using another networking, another sites with the for the communication. So it will be our duty to focus on the social media sites which are relevant to you, so that you can share our content with the appropriate audience. For example, if we take the recent situation where WhatsApp has changes privacy settings. So many of them have shifted to Signal. So what happened in WhatsApp? That WhatsApp CEO told that they will be using our information for different purposes. So it is our privacy setting. It is our privacy information. We should not. They should not share. So this is what they are lacking with. So most of the in India, more than 1.2 million downloads has been taken when the WhatsApp privacy settings has been changed. So this is one of the condition or the situation where social networking sites. So we have to make the best strategy. So we have to make the best strategy make the best strategy to focus on those social media which are relevant to you, so that you can share information or content with appropriate audience. So this is what we'll be doing. So we have to find the best suitable websites or the social media sites where where we'll be protecting ourselves from the threats, as well as we'll be holding our privacy. So these are the basics of social networking. So let us move to the available social networking services or the examples of social networking. Examples are available social networking services. So what are the most popular social networking services? We'll be having Facebook, LinkedIn, WhatsApp, Instagram, and Twitter. These are the main 5 social networking sites which are ruling the entire world. So first one is the Facebook. So what we'll be doing in Facebook? Facebook allows us to share text, photo, video, etc. and game. And when we are bored enough, Facebook also provides games to play with the mutual connections. So Facebook allows to share. So just share text, photos, videos, etc. and instant gaming facility. Instant gaming facility. This is what WhatsApp provide. So let us take another example where that is LinkedIn. So what is the best use of LinkedIn? In LinkedIn we can directly communicate with the professionals, or we'll be able to get internship or the job offer from most of the companies. So I am the one who will use the LinkedIn mostly to get any internship. So this is the best for the students to take any of the challenges. So it will be useful for? It is a business, sorry, NESS, business and professional networking site. So what is mostly useful for? Mostly used for showing your achievements, or to get a job offer. So this is what LinkedIn mostly used for. So let us take another example, that is WhatsApp. So WhatsApp is majorly useful for, WhatsApp is a mobile based messaging app. It allows us to send text, images, video, audio messages. WhatsApp also provides desktop version, that is the web WhatsApp. You can use any of things. So let us consider this as a mobile application. So it is a mobile based messaging app. It allows to send text, images, video and audio files. So let us take another example, Instagram. So what we'll be doing in Instagram? Instagram is a application where we'll be uploading our images. It allows us to share content, videos in Insta Reels. Allows to share content videos in Insta Reels. So Instagram Reels has been recently used to upload videos on behalf of the TikTok. In replace of the TikTok, they have introduced the Insta Reels, and Instagram and Facebook are owned by the Mark Zuckerberg. So let us come to the Twitter. So Twitter, what is Twitter used for? Twitter is mainly useful for the used by the professionals or the actors or the highly professional peoples. So here message are being known as the tweets. So Twitter allows the user to send and reply messages in form of tweets. So the messages in Twitter are known as tweets. So these are the main examples and available services of social networking. So let us move to the areas where social networking is used. Areas where social networking useful. So hello guys, this small kindly so don't worry about my handwriting, just try to understand the language I'm using. It will be fine better, I think so. So areas where social networking is useful. Social networking is mostly useful for all of us in for doing online marketing, for searching a job. We'll be using online news, chatting, sharing pictures, audio, and video, etc. These are the areas where social networking is useful. So let me jot down all the points. Online marketing. So in online marketing, websites such as Amazon, companies such as Amazon, Flipkart. These are the main two organizations which provides online marketing, and there are many more like Facebook and Tata company also provide online projects, online marketing services like Tata, Facebook, so etc. There are many online marketing sites. You can choose the best according to your requirement as well as the pay you can pay for. Coming to the next one, that is known as online jobs. We can find online jobs in LinkedIn. For students to get an internship, there are many internship organizations like Internshala for jobs, Naukari, Work India. There are many sites to get your online job or to have a on-site job. So let us come to the another example, that is online news. So online news are very much very much famous. So we will be getting instant messaging when the news happens. So mostly we will be finding the apps such as Times of India, NDT, and India Today are the best online websites to get news instantly. You can use Hindu or anything based on your requirement. So for chatting, there are many websites. We can use Facebook also, Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram. So there are many more. So but basic, they are the applications which are used side by side. But whereas coming to the only chatting, it is the websites such as chatib.us and y99.in are the main websites we'll be using for chatting. And there are many websites where we'll be sharing our pictures, audio, and video files. Actually, to upload all this, we'll be using any cloud structure such as Google Drive, or Mega. So in Mega we'll be having a 50 or 1 TB for free. So mostly I will be using Mega. So try to use Mega. Google Drive is almost a 15 GB. It provides a 15 GB storage. In Mega I think around it will be provide 50 GB. So based on your requirement and availability of the information to upload, use any of the alternative. There are many more cloud structures which provides more than 1 TB storage. So these are the areas where social networking is mostly useful. Social networking is mostly useful in online marketing, online jobs, online news, chatting, and in cloud structure architecture. So this is the main fields where we'll be using our social networking. So now let us move on to the characteristics and properties of social networking. So there are main characteristics or properties of social networking. First one is user based. So every social networking every social networking is based upon the user availability. So when the user creates an account in a social website sites, then he can submit and organize the information according to his needs. So he can submit or he can organize information according to its needs. For example, if you want to change any changes, or if you want to update his profile, he can submit the information according to himself. So there is a two-way content sharing facility which will be provided by any social networking sites. For example, if you want to share information with your friends, let us consider the Facebook. So there will be an attachment option where you can find where you can send any PDF or video files with your friends. So this is one of the best use of social networking. Two-way content sharing will be available. And what we'll be having, we will be needing only the freedom and dynamic in nature for us to do anything. That you can watch your crush profile pic, or you can watch their interest, anything. That is, we have each and every freedom to do, but we have to keep in mind there will be any cyber attacks. So based on our requirements, we'll be using all those things. So we'll be from online social networking sites, we'll be having freedom and dynamic in nature. So this is on user based characteristics. Let us move to the another characteristics that is known as interactive. So every social media sites is interactive as well as the responsive based on the application or the device used. So when it's coming to the interaction characteristics, we'll be having chat rooms are OMS, chat rooms and forums to discuss. Chat rooms to discuss to have a casual discussions, whereas coming to the forums, we'll be having a discussion on a particular problem statements. So when it's coming to the interaction, we'll be also thinking about the games, creating games, playing games, or sharing photos and ideas with the friends. So interactive, we'll be playing games, create games. We can also create games using different programming languages. Games, we'll be sharing photos and ideas with friends. So interactiveness is nothing but the way to connect and have fun with the friends or family members, or any of the mutual friend you have on your network. It is nothing but the way to connect. Sorry, it's CONNECT. Connect and have fun. So this is the interactive characteristics. So let us move to the another characteristics that is known as community driven or driven based on your pronunciation. Community driven. Okay, so what we'll be doing in a community driven we'll be having so let us consider for example, if you consider an ecosystem where a group of people live, so they will be having some main common beliefs and interests. So from them we can make another set of organization or the ecosystem where each and every people will be having the same interest. So let me jot down the points. So let us talk about our community Andhra Pradesh. If we take the community or the Andhra Pradesh, what will be having, what will be the main resources? Will be eating only the rice, especially rice, and everyone will be going to work in the morning at 8 or coming back to the home at 6. So this is what our daily activities will be. And the beliefs, will be believing in the God, like there are many more. So let me jot down. The members will be having members sold, common belief, with common belief or interest. So they can make new friends with the people who say or they want to share interest or information. So they can make new friends. So when making a new friend, we are building our community stronger. So if I know one person, if A knows B, if B knows C, and if A is the friend of B, B is the friend of C, then A will be our friend of C. This is known as transitive property. We'll be discussing this property later. So don't worry about that. So they can connect with the old friends also. Can reconnect with old friends. So social media builds the relationship stronger. Actually, when we shift or migrate from another place where we don't know the each and every phone or contact numbers, social media sites mainly helps us to find the user or the your old friend. So that is what all comes under community driven. So let us move to the another characteristic that is known as relationships.